Solve the inequality below and write your solution set in interval notation. Which of the following is the solution set? Okay, so this is an absolute value inequality. So I'm always going to start an absolute value um, inequality by solving the associated equation. So I'm going to solve, well, first, let's see, I'll get the absolute value alone before I switch to the equation. So I have absolute value of x minus 8 is less than or equal to 7. So I want to solve the associated equation. Instead of solving the inequality, I'm going to start by solving this equation. So I'm going to solve absolute value of x minus 8 equals 7. And with an absolute value equation, the absolute value of a thing is 7. That means that the thing could be 7, or the thing could be -7. Okay, because if the absolute value of a thing is 7, what numbers have an absolute value of 7? 7 and -7. So whatever's in the absolute value could be 7, could be -7. Then I solve each of these. So I get x equals 15. And here I get x equals 1. And then when I want to solve an inequality, a less than inequality, the solution set to the less than inequality is always going to be between the solution set to the equation. So if I put this on a number line, here's my 1, here's my 15. Those are the solutions to the equation, 1 and 15. The solutions to the inequality will be between them. Okay, and I am going to include the 1 and the 15 because of the or equal to here. Okay, so I'm going to include the 1, include the 15, all the numbers in between will be solutions to the absolute value less than inequality. So this is 1 to 15, that's B. I just want to also show that one way to check your solution to an inequality is to pick any number in the interval that you think is a solution. I think all the numbers from 1 to 15 are solutions. So let's check a number that's in there. Check, say x equals 10. That's in there. So I'm going to plug into the original equation, and I want to know if it's true. Okay, is the absolute value of x minus 8 minus 2 less than or equal to 5? So if I put in a 10, I get the absolute value of 10 minus 8 minus 2, which is the absolute value of 2 minus 2, which is 0. Is 0 less than or equal to 5? Yes. Okay, so our interval is probably correct. There's a number in it that makes the inequality true.